Hey guys, so today we are going to start a new series, that is Kubernetes and Azure Kubernetes Service, that is AKS, from scratch. Now guys, this playlist is mainly for .NET developers, but other guys, so for example those who are from Java or PHP background, they can also follow this playlist. The only thing is they will need to make the required code changes as per their technology stack. Now, what are the prerequisites to learn Kubernetes? So, you should know Docker basics, you should know Docker images, and you should know Docker containers. And then there are a few more things you should know. Now, if you know Docker, well, that's great. If you don't know Docker, that's fine. We will quickly recap what is Docker and why we use Docker in our next 2-3 videos. But if you already know Docker in detail, you can simply skip these videos and you can start with Kubernetes. And finally, what will be our learning approach? See guys, we will start with a simple .NET app and then gradually we will build a real world .NET application on Kubernetes. So that's it guys. Thanks for listening.